Picture this: breakneck speeds, tight corners, and the non-stop blare of sirens echoing through the streets. A single miscalculation means the end. Today we witness Brazil's specialized units in their most intense takedowns. Strap in, it's time for a high-speed hunt. The officer called it from the very first second. This guy is definitely going to bolt. And just like that, he takes off like a madman trying to escape. The footage doesn't even do justice to the insane speeds they're hitting, especially given the frantic pace and the heavy traffic. To ride like this, you've only got two options. Either you're completely fearless, or you've never tasted the asphalt after a wipeout. This kid clearly wasn't taking the situation seriously. But as soon as things get dicey, he decides to ditch the bike like it's a toy bicycle, betting everything on his own two legs to save him.
Le va a quedar para Vanega, se le escurre ahora esa pelota y arranca Mbappé, ahí hay que frenarlo. Va Mbappé, sigue Mbappé, lo espera Rojo, va Mbappé, la tira larga.
But human feet can't outrun a high-powered engine, especially when you've got nowhere left to hide from the law. The cops just waited for exhaustion to kick in and took him down once he ran out of breath. They inspect the bike, confirm the obvious, and return it to its rightful owner. Show's over. That's enough cardio for one day. Do you guys recall those delivery riders with the wrappy bags from our last video? Good for you if you do, because they've already slipped my mind. But here we have two more wrappy couriers attempting a high-stakes getaway from the Brazilian police. I'm almost certain I've seen this guy in another chase somewhere before. And just like that, back to the lobby. He didn't make it very far at all. The motorcycle was seized and towed straight to the impound lot. It looks like someone didn't learn their lesson the first time. But let's break this down step by step. How exactly did things get to this point? During a standard patrol, these guys tried to duck the cops by pinning the throttle, which totally backfired because it only served to draw the officers' attention. When the pursuit began and they were told to pull over, they completely ignored the order and bolted. They actually think they can outrun the law on that little low displacement bike. Man, I wish I had that kind of blind optimism in my own life.
casi atropella a un pobre niño.
He nearly plowed right into a poor kid on the street. I'm pretty sure that is not the proper way to dismount a motorcycle. Take a close look at the ground. Those are stolen cell phones spilling out everywhere. He hit the deck and his illegal loot started dropping like coins. As it turns out, this guy was a career criminal through and through. Officers recovered a firearm, along with 8 phones, 2 wallets, and a watch. He's been hauled off to the station to face the full extent of the law. Officers were posted up at the toll plaza when a suspect on a Honda Titan with a covered license plate zipped past. They immediately gave chase on their BMW F850 GS units. They're squeezing every bit of torque out of those German-engineered twins, hitting over 110 miles per hour in a heartbeat. Take a look at the fugitive up ahead. It's 95 horsepower versus 14. There's just no outrunning these two-wheeled rockets. They've closed the gap and the real battle begins. This guy is stubborn and clearly unfazed by the high-powered patrol bikes on his tail. Clever move. He's leading them into an urban jungle of heavy traffic, the exact environment where that small Titan was built to maneuver. With mid-air kicks and wild maneuvers, this is starting to look like a real-life version of Road Rash, Latin American style. Heads up, the suspect makes a split-second correction, narrowly avoiding a head-on collision with a car. Unbelievably, the BMWs are struggling to keep up with what's basically a bicycle with a horn. This old Titan has less tech than a tube TV, carbureted wire wheels, no ABS, and zero traction control. The pressure is on. If they don't nab him, they'll be the joke of the precinct until Christmas. Finally, he's in custody. Now the suspect is suddenly screaming for help. They're getting the handcuffs on him now.
Tu tá pensando o quê? Perdoa, senhor. Me perdoa, senhor. Tava com a placa tampada, eu fiquei com medo, senhor. Por favor, senhor.
Tá pensando o quê?
Desculpa, senhor.
Tá querendo fugir ainda? Qual que é o belo do bagulho? Vai trocar as ideias ou não vai?
Time to search the bag. They discover a Yamaha FZ25 headlight assembly with no proof of purchase. Is that why he ran? The bike is impounded, and he's headed to the station to face charges for disobedience and reckless driving. The BMWs can finally breathe easy. The Titan became a legend, and that guy? He's probably looking for a budget lawyer right about now. Two suspects on a Titan bike pull a quick U-turn the moment they spot the officers on their Honda 300 rally units. The pursuit is on, but stay sharp. This isn't going to last very long. Visual is lost for a moment, but the officers are tracking the trail through the winding back streets of Brazil. At this point, the officers are losing ground and nearly consider the pursuit a lost cause. But wait, take a look right up ahead. There they are, down on the pavement. Their escape attempt ended in a nasty crash. The team approaches with extreme caution, just in case the suspects are carrying weapons.
Fica! Por que você correu? Volta, volta você, volta aqui. Fica aí, fica aí. Levanta a mão aí. Fica aí. Qual que é o bagulho? Qual que é a ideia?
You can see the rider has sustained several severe road rash injuries from the impact.
Minha perna tá queimando, senhor, por favor. Senhor, minha perna tá queimando.
Segura aí, pede seu parceiro lá, ó. Ô, fião. Ô, fião. Ajuda ele aqui, ó. Eu não vou encostar a mão, não.
These guys are in pretty rough shape after that spill.
Beleza? De boa? Fica aí, fião. Fica aí. Fica aí. Senta no chão. Senta no chão, os dois. Senta no chão, os dois. Senta aí no chão, os dois aí. Senta no chão junto com ele aí, mano. Ô, tio. Senta aí, mano. Senta aí. Fião, senta.
It's confirmed that the driver has a broken collarbone, requiring an ambulance to be dispatched immediately. He was transported to the local hospital for emergency surgery. The passenger was taken straight to the precinct, while the driver faces heavy legal consequences for his actions. Beyond the adrenaline-pumping intensity of these high-speed pursuits, this footage offers a critical look at the complexities of modern urban law enforcement. Analyzing these maneuvers reveals the split-second decision-making required by Brazil's elite units to maintain public safety under extreme pressure. While the speed is captivating, the true educational value lies in understanding the severe legal and physical consequences of reckless evasion. These incidents serve as a powerful deterrent, illustrating that high-stakes crimes inevitably lead to justice. By examining these tactical operations, we gain a deeper respect for the thin blue line maintaining order amidst the chaos of the streets.